Good morning, artists. So today I'm making a little video for you all showing you how to paint a sunset or a sunrise. So today in class you will see us painting on canvas using acrylic paints. So if you don't have these supplies at home, that's okay. You can paint on paper using whatever paints you have available. But many of the painting techniques and concepts are still the same. So the first thing you need to do is find a source image, an image that you are studying for your painting. So go on Google and you can search sunrise paintings, sunset paintings, and I want you to find one that you like and that you want to work from. So I'm going to choose this one today. And this is my source image. I found it on Google and I printed it out, and I'm going to really study the colors that I see, and I'm going to try to recreate this color blend in my own painting. So I have, it looks like a dark blue into a light blue, into kind of a pink, and then an orange, darker orange, and then it looks like a light yellow near the bottom. So I have my source image, I have my water cup I have a big brush today, and I have a smaller brush, and I have my paints in my palette ready for mixing, and I have a paper towel so I can clean my brush when I change colors. So here we go. I'm going to start at the top of the canvas, and don't excuse this little thingamabob here. This is from a previous project last year, and now it's stuck on my canvas. So I'm just going to have to work with it because I don't want to take a canvas away from a student. So here we go. I'm going to start by, I'm going to try to hold my paint palette up. I'm going to mix some white with a bit of blue. Okay, and I got this tint of blue here, maybe a little bit darker by adding some more blue. Okay, and now I'm going to paint in horizontal strokes across the top of my canvas. Okay, I'm doing the light blue that I saw near the top. Okay, and I'm painting. I get my brush wet every now and then while I paint so that the paint can spread and move across the canvas. And if you are in Lagos and you'd like to come by school to pick up some supplies, that is perfectly all right. I can arrange for that. You can pick up a canvas board and some acrylic paint. Okay, so I see now in my source image that it's a bit of a darker blue near the top. So I'm going to go ahead and grab a little bit more of a darker blue on my brush and just do that, blend that in near the top of my painting, because I saw that it starts with a bit of a darker blue at the top, and then it moved into a lighter blue. Okay, now I'm going to try to do the pinkish red section. So I'm going to clean my brush really well, and then I'll wipe it on the tissue. So now I need to mix some white with a bit of red to get that pink. I think what I'm doing right now is more of a sunrise. So I'm going to paint in my pink section across. See how I'm doing the same horizontal strokes across my page? Not my page, my canvas today. And I don't want it to look like stripes. So I really want to try and blend in the pink section with the blue section. I want to make that a nice fade. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to wash my brush, and I'm just going to take straight white. I'm just going to take white on my brush like this, and right where the pink and the blue are meeting, I'm going to hit it with a stripe of white. And I'm going to blend those two together so that it's more of a soft fade. Everyone see how I did that? Okay, I'm blending the blue into the pink. Okay. So now I've done my blue and my pink section. And I'm looking at my source image and I see that I'm moving into like an orange. So I need to, again, wash my brush, and I'm going to mix myself an orange by taking some yellow with a bit of red. Okay, so I've got a nice orange here. Okay, and I'm getting my brush wet. I'm not painting dry. Trying to paint around that little shape in the middle. Again, just ignore that guy. And I'm looking and I'm being very careful to try and avoid the stripy look. So, make sure it's even. Right where that orange is meeting the pink, I may not even need white this time around. All I'm going to do is just get my brush wet with water, and I'm going to blend and see how that works. So it looks like what it did is it peeled some of the paint up and made it really faded. So I don't like that. So I'm going to put some more orange down. Just mixing some orange. Okay. And I think instead what I'll do, instead of just applying straight water, I will do the white technique. I'm just going to take white, straight white with my brush, and right where those two colors are meeting, try to blend them with white. There we go. All right, and that's sort of how you paint a sunset or a sunrise. I'm going to be moving into my yellow section now, which is near the bottom of the picture. And what you're trying to create is an even fade of colors. So really you need to work from a source image, okay, or a source painting, I call it. It's helpful to look at paintings because you can really see the color blends a little bit easier than when you look at photographs. So go to Google and search sunrise or sunset painting. Okay, find one that you like, and you're going to paint your entire paper as a color blend. Okay, the color blends that you see in that sunset or sunrise. And this is what we'll be doing in class today.